Hey guys, Infinite Hacks back with another video. I didn't think I'd be back so soon with another video because school has been keeping me real busy. But I've had this request a lot: how to add maps on a CSS server. I thought that was quite easy. Some people say the videos that are out there are pretty out of date. So yeah. So I've reloaded my computer, so I don't have Steam installed on my desktop, nor on my computer. So I'm going to do it from an older version of the server, which was the last version of my server, which is still srcds, same crap that I showed you guys how to edit and make. So this is my server. It's just I don't run it anymore. But I'll show you guys how to do that. So if you guys play the map regularly with your account, there's ways that you can go into your maps and copy paste the map into your server. That's the most, I guess, the easiest way of doing it. Now let's say you want a map that you haven't played, or a newer map, or something. Just there's a website for this. It's called Game Banana. It used to be called FPS Banana. So this is the server right now. So what you're gonna do is you guys are gonna go in maps. Obviously you guys can get scripts, you guys can get skins. I think there's a skins. There we go, skins. You guys can get sounds. Pretty much anything you can get on this for CSS and other games too. But we're interested in maps, so let's go click on maps. Let me load the page. Alright, so these are the maps, the recent maps. You can go filter, you can go into top, and then, you know, rating of downloads, and I don't know, 3 months ago, and then submit, and it'll categorize it. Or you can go a certain map. Let's say I want the Dust Classic. They made so many remixes of this map. You go in maps. Alright, so you see that there are a lot of remixes. The Dust RC3, Salt, Mission Dusk. Anyway, you guys see all these maps. You can look for your map if you want. I'm just going to take a random one, so I'm going to go with this one. Click on it, and then you go download. Whoopsies. Clicked on an ad. Alright, so click download here. It's going to be a small number, 4 megabytes. It's not that big. Ba 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 ba. Obviously, the download's not launching. You guys can go and alter the mirrors, download mirrors. That's usually what I do. So you want to save the file, not really open it. I'm gonna put it on my desktop for now. Let it download. And it should finish downloading, and you should see the Dust RC3, which I downloaded. So in the zipped file, the RAR file, you'll find CS strikes, maps, and all of this. So one of them is the map itself, one of them are the add-ons, one's the text file, and one's the readme file. So the readme file is basically going to tell you how to install it, how to put it into action, which is what this video is supposed to do. Just going to open it. See, that's where it says to put it. See? Now I'm going to teach you guys that. So we're going to extract this. We're going to extract maps. Extract to. Alright, so we can delete that. Alright, so now we have this right here. dust RC3 with the maps inside, and then you've got the whole shebang over here. So here's what you're going to do with this. You're going to open up your srcds file, which is on your C drive, except I've got it on a portable drive. So it should be on your C drive, and then srcds, and then obviously it's going to be in your orange box. Yes, strike. And after that, you guys, instead of going to the add-ons, which we've done before, and the configs that we've done before, you guys are going to go in maps. In maps, you guys are going to find a whole bunch of these: csassault.nav, csassault.bsp, which should look identical to these two. See here? So what you guys are going to do is you guys are going to copy all three of these, not the README file, just the RC3, the nav, the BSP. Some will not have all three, some will have only one, some will have two, some will have three. This just means it's a complete package. So you guys are going to drag and drop this into the maps folder. Now your server officially has the map on record. It has the map in its box, in its container. And now you just have to be able to play the map. How you do that? Well, you're going to go back into your settings over here, and at the very bottom there should be two text files that you guys are going to edit. You guys are going to have a map list and a cycle, which is mapcycle. So map list and mapcycle, which are one next to each other. When you guys are going to open these, they're text file with the names of maps that you play. So see, these are all the maps that I've played on my server. All right, and in it, and to be able to control and play these maps, you guys have to add the map. So at the bottom, you guys are going to write. Obviously, my server was a surf server, but this one will be dust, and it has to be the exact name of whatever the folder is. So like this. In case you guys can't read this, I'm just writing the dust DL RC3, and there you go. Your map is set. You're gonna save this. So you're gonna save that. You guys are gonna exit, and there you go. Your map is now on the map list. Now you can put it on mapcycle. Map list, the difference between the two is that map list, only the admin has access to it. Mapcycle is what the server uses to cycle through maps. So map list, if you guys only want to put a map up just so you can use it, or you can go on it manually, put in map list. Do not put it in mapcycle. If you want everybody to have access to it, for it to show in your votes, for it to pop up and everything, you guys are going to input it in mapcycle. There's obviously more settings of this in the add-ons, ManiAdmin, and oops, that's not what I wanted to do. In the configs file, sorry, you have a server, and you've got some maps in there too. So yeah, you can play around with that. Go for it. Actually in configs in ManiAdmin, you should have a map list also. Vote map list. There it is. So these are all the maps that can be voted on. So you might want to add it to there too. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions, comments, topics for future videos, you know, holla. See you.